Hi everyone, and welcome back to Good Brothers. I'm Graham. This is our kitchen. Please forgive the state of it. So, as you all well know from one of our last episodes, I have the wonderful chance to spend some quality time with my kids at the moment because the schools are shut. And Julia, my youngest, has decided that she wants to cook. So, without further ado, here we have Julia. Ta-da! So Julia, what are we going to be doing today?
Today we're going to be making pancakes.
Pancakes. Brilliant. Why are we making pancakes?
Because they're yummy.
Because they're yummy. They are. This little angel makes us pancakes every morning on Sundays. Week in, week out. They are good. So, shall we crack on?
Hi everyone, I'm Julia and I'm going to run you through the ingredients that you will need for pancakes. The first ingredient is flour. You can have self-raising or plain. We've got plain. The next ingredient is an egg. Just one egg. There, but I'm just going to keep it in the box. You will need some milk, and it depends what flour you have. If you've got self-raising flour, you don't need baking powder, but since we have plain flour, then we're using baking powder for it to rise. Next part is the equipment. You will need a spoon. It depends if you're going to use the baking powder because this is the spoon is for the baking powder. The next thing is a cup. It can be a mug, it can be a cup. It doesn't really matter. The next thing we'll need is a bowl, of course, to mix the ingredients, and a whisk. If you don't have a whisk, don't worry because you can just use a wooden spoon or a spatula. So the last piece of equipment is the frying pan. So make sure you always wash your hands or sanitize before you make anything. I have some hand sanitizer here. I'm gonna put on my hands and rub it in. Now we've got hand sanitizer, we can start baking. Okay, so the first ingredient with the pancakes is the plain or self-raising flour. And with that, you will need your cup, and you're just gonna put in a cup of plain flour. You just need one egg for this. So you crack it inside. Maybe I'll just crack it on here. One egg. After that, if you want, you can give it a quick mix like me. I'm just gonna quickly mix in the egg. Okay, next ingredient is the milk. Now, with the milk, you will need your cup again, and you're doing 1 cup, like the flour. With the milk, we use skimmed milk, but you can use any milk you want. Once you've got it to about this, you can get your baking powder. It depends if you are using baking powder. Oops, that's a bit too much. Just about that much baking powder. And then mix. Now, remember, if your mixture is too thick, like you may have added a wee bit more flour, then just add a drop of milk in. But if your mixture is too runny, then you can just add some flour in. And then it should become the thick and liquidy, liquid. Thick and runny, which equals liquid, which is basically what we have here. Now it's done. Now we're done with the mixture. And it's time to cook. Now I'm gonna call in my big assistant.
Hi everyone! Right, Julia, what are we doing now?
Now we are scooping the mixture into the frying pan. So, all you need to do now is eat them.
Nom 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 nom.